I bet you can't guess what I'll be assembling today. First, I will store the components from this poor ESP8266 dev board. Let me apply some solder paste. And now it is time to put down the components. It's about to get hot as I reflow the solder paste with my hot air gun to solder the components on the PCB. Okay, let's now plug it in. And crap. 5 volts, check. And 3.3 volts.
Nope.
Let's check if 3 volts and ground are shorted. Of course. Here we can see all components connected to 3.3 volts. And I found the culprit by removing them one by one. It was this capacitor, probably a bad one.
Nice.
And upload. So tell me if you have any idea of what it could be and stay tuned for the big project reveal.